Yo, listen, this thing's going viral for a reason. So many people are giving this 5 stars, and after trying it, I get it. It feels premium, works perfectly, and just makes life easier. You can tell it's made well. Go see the full details through the link. It's seriously one of the best finds lately.
Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. Thousands of people have bought this already, and for good reason. It just works. Super easy setup, feels durable, and looks way more expensive than it is. If you're curious, check the link in the description. You'll see why everyone's talking about it.
Hold up, you gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. This product's everywhere right now, and it deserves the attention. Smooth performance, clean design, and the price, honestly, a total steal. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. People can't stop leaving good reviews for this one, and now I get the hype. It's reliable, looks amazing, and works like a charm every single time. Go see the full details through the link. It's seriously one of the best finds lately.
Wait, before you scroll, this product's blowing up right now. It's been trending for weeks and the reviews are insane. People love how